Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome, man. I got this Liberty. Okay, yeah. Now we're talking about recall, safety recall. Remember, keep in mind, recalls are all safety related. That means car maker or the manufacturer has determined that the particular item that they deem safety requires. They had by law they had to call it a recall so they can get you to get in and get it done as soon as possible. Now, this recall is F23, the safety recall F23, and what it is basically, in a nutshell, we need to replace your lower ball joints. Okay, we need to get your ball joints out of there and get in new ones. I think about what is it? They said about 800,000 of the ball joints that was put in was faulty, not good at all. So they essentially supposed to send out letters to all the car owners, but the problem is because we're talking 2003 through 2006. Now F23 is only for year model 2002 through 2006. So we're talking almost 10 years ago, and the problem is Chrysler done lost track of the owner. Chances are this car has been sold over and over and over again. So simply mailing out letters trying to remind customers that they have a recall on their Jeep Liberty is you're not going to get through that way, because again, these are they probably a different owner by now. So but what's going on is the ball joint is coming apart. Again, this is between year 2002 through 2006. So what they see happening is water may enter into the front suspension lower ball joint on about 820,000 of these Jeep Liberty. All right, this can cause the ball joints to corrode and separate. Once they separate, especially while you're driving, it's not good. It's not a pretty sight. Ball joint separation can result in a loss of steering control and could cause a crash without prior warning. Now, I have this red Jeep that I was talking about earlier. This friend of mine, and what I convinced him of was let me take the car into the shop. Actually, I have, because I'm a Chrysler employee, I have access to Chrysler database, so I could run your VIN and tell you if the recall apply to your car. If you want me to do that, just put your VIN in the description below. So what I did is call him up, asked for his VIN. I ran his VIN on the computer, and yes, he have the F23 recall available to get done on his car. So I immediately told him, drop what you're doing, give me that car, because I do not want him to end up like this. This car, the ball joint separated. Look at this picture, it's real good. The ball joint separated. From the look of the damage, I assume it separated while he was driving. So imagine the tow truck had to come get it. Hopefully they're safe. I don't know. All I know is the car made it to the shop and it's headed to the body shop. And, it's going to be determined whether Chrysler responsible or the customer's responsible. Because if they got their recall sitting on their dresser and just simply haven't done it, or again, maybe they didn't know. So you got to give them the benefit of the doubt. But at any rate, if the recall is available on their car and the ball joint separated, then yeah, maybe Chrysler will have to pay it. I'm not sure. But what I want to stress to you, the consumer, if you have a Jeep Liberty between the year 2002 through 2006, call your local Chrysler dealer, or again, leave it with me. I will check myself for you to determine if this recall apply to your car. I do not want you to end up like this. Now, forget the fact that you got to call a tow truck to get your car to the shop. There's a chance you may not survive. I mean, this was an accident. This happened while they was driving. So there's a real good chance or big chance that, you could get injured. If the ball joints separate while you're driving, think about that for a second. Forget the car damage. Think about your safety. All right. So that's all I want to talk about, man. I just want to stress the importance. I saw these pictures and I saw this truck, this Jeep come in on a tow truck, and I immediately knew that that's what happened. And sure enough, they didn't get their recall done, or like I say, they didn't know it was due or know there was one on the car. But you, after watching this video, do not have that excuse. Now, I'm going to name this video something pertaining to Jeep Liberty. So hopefully all the Jeep Liberty owners would click on it. And if they see this and still not act, then yeah, there's something wrong with you, the person. But My goal here is to remind you and let you know you have a recall on your car. F23, 2002 through 2006 Jeep Liberty owner. Go get it done if you haven't gotten it done. All right, thanks for watching. I want to keep this video short. And I got a lot of other Jeep videos coming up. So please subscribe if you own a Jeep. And I will talk to y'all in the next video.